And do the flippity flip. All right. Trying to get that color I want. Look what I got here. Ooh wee. It's gonna be good. Y'all see what we got? Got these beef neck bones. Ooh wee. We keep on trying to find a great alternative to oxtails for a great price. But y'all saw the price on those. We can't pass them up. So a great opportunity to throw on some good barbecue and practice with it. Yes, yes. All right, let me get these washed down and get them seasoned up. We just gonna make up an ancient family secret here. LPG, Lawry's seasoned salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We're gonna do just a teaspoon and a half of Lawry's. On the pepper here, I'm gonna go with a full teaspoon here. As you see, nothing crazy. Garlic powder, want that to punch through. So we're gonna do, say, 2 teaspoons. That's it. Secret, ancient family secret. LPG, Lawry, pepper, garlic. Mix it all up. Then baby, season it up. Like that. Let's go to the other side. Super simple, y'all. We going with hickory wood. Make it all good. I think that should just about do it. Sides. Like that. Like that. We're gonna get the smoker fired up. And we're gonna give these a test and see what they do. Alright, see y'all outside. I got hickory wood, so you know it's all good. Look like we're ready. Let's get ready for this deliciousness. Put these over here. No rhyme and reason on how we going face up, face down. So we gonna flip them in about 45 minutes anyway. We gonna make it real nice. All right, 45 minutes in. Let's see what we looking like. Ooh wee, ooh wee. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and do the flippity flip. All right, all right, all right, all right. Starting to get that color I want. Just trying to get the seasons to set. And we're going to take them off in another 45 minutes and braise them. Look what I got here. Ooh wee. We about to get those vegetables smoked. It's going to be good. Time to come off. This is how we looking, y'all. It's got the color I want. The bark has set. It is time to braise. My vegetables ready. All right, let's get ready to go inside and braise, y'all. All right, y'all, let's make up our braising liquid. 2 cups of water. Some Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons worth. We're gonna get some citrus going here. 1 lime. And then we're gonna do half lemon. Let's squeeze that baby. Yeah. All right, let's get these beautiful neck bones up in here. Okay, fitting just right. Can't forget about our beautiful smoked vegetables. And you see they still got a little crunch to them because we didn't want to get them like all the way super soft. Got that. Oh man. flavor is gonna be crazy. Can't forget about our garlic. Let's get our multicolored peppers in there. Flavor. So the only thing to do, y'all, is just go ahead and let these simmer away for about 2 hours. We're gonna check them to see if they tender and probing. That's it. All right, see y'all in a couple hours. All right, y'all, let's check these neck bones. Temp is nice. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, they all over 200. Let's go ahead and get them on out of here. I didn't mean to make you jealous. So this is what I came up with, y'all. You know, just the basics, a little rice and everything. You know. So let's see what we ooh. Oh man. Melting, baby. Oh, wait, I gotta see it. I gotta see how. See all these good old vegetables and stuff. All right, one more taste. Let's get it all together. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't mean to be eating in front of y'all. And, you know, you order a plate or something. This is how you gonna eat it. Appreciate you coming through as always. I'm gonna catch y'all back on the next one. About to get my eat on. You ready to eat, baby?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's do it.